Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying TNT version and available nodes, because compatibility matters. Once confirmed, install the load balancer package on 2 or more dedicated nodes to avoid single points of failure. Next, configure node IP addresses and assign roles, primary, secondary, worker, so traffic routing is predictable. Also, open required ports, 80, 443, and any custom TCP/UDP ports. This prevents blocked connections. Finally, generate or import TLS keys now. You'll need them for secure upstream connections. Now you'll map services to upstream pools and create health checks, because unhealthy nodes must be removed automatically. Once done, select the balancing algorithm, round robin for even distribution, least cons for variable load, or IP hash for session affinity, and apply it per service. Make sure to set session persistence and stickiness rules if stateful sessions are required. Configure timeout and retry counts so clients aren't left waiting. Finally, test with low-volume traffic to validate behavior before scaling up. Finish by enabling monitoring and centralized logging so you can observe latency, error rates, and connection counts in real time. Once metrics are visible, deploy changes using gradual traffic shifts. Start with 10%, then 25%, so you can roll back quickly if issues appear. Make sure auto-scaling rules and failover priorities are applied so capacity adjusts automatically. If something goes wrong, check health check logs first, then firewall rules and TLS certificate mismatches. These are the most common causes of failed balancing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.